Let's use AI to write a case study for an e-learning course. First, we'll generate some learning content. Now we can use this context to ask the copilot to write a case study. And we can use the AI copilot to further refine the case study. We can keep working on the case study until we are happy with the outcome. Once we are happy with the content, we can generate the on-screen text for the slide. And we can also ask the system to come up with the suggestions for the visuals that will be displayed on the slides. As you can see, we can leverage AI when writing case studies for e-learning and other educational content.